What does a grown man do at 11 o'clock at night? What does the other grown man do at 11 o'clock at night?
Plant figgies.
What does other grown men do at 11 o'clock? Being filmed. Oh, wow. This is like history in the making. Right now we have this fig tree that really wasn't doing that well. Okay, this is it.
It's crying, it's sad.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I think we need some flowers around it.
Yeah. Can plant a dill up in here, maybe.
Oh, let's do it. A what?
There's all types of herbs.
Yeah, let's do it. There you go. Oh, it's my... I got carried away. Nobody could see it. This is my second fig tree I planted in a container. It wasn't doing that well. We had a small container and we started it just now at 11 o'clock at night while being filmed while I'm exercising. So I'm really exercising, kind of, right? To plant a fig tree. So we have, look at, oh my gosh. This fig tree is taller than me, isn't it? Look at that. Beginning of the year it was smaller than me, now it's taller than me. I would say it's at least 10, 12 feet high, right?
Yeah.
Easy. Okay, so this fig tree is going to stay in a container. I want to have more containers with trees. And this morning we bought a lot, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Live. Being filmed. This is it. This is beyond super exciting. This is probably, oh, you can't see it, it's the other side. Yeah, what are we doing?
Time.
Time. And you like time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So time does, I don't know why does time like figs. Time, do you like figs?
I should actually look that up.
You should look that up.
My phone's inside. Do you have yours?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. Good. We're going bye.